Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at Enterprise Connect 2022. I am here with Carl Harvell here at the AVer booth. So how's the show been for you?
Show's been going great. It's glad to see everybody coming in. The shows are opening up, and so far traffic's been good. So
Very good. So I wanted to ask you first, like the conversations maybe you've been having so far and ones that you're looking forward to have while the show is open.
So I've noticed a lot of people are asking what new technology to put into their conference rooms as they're coming back into the office. So we've been getting a wide variety of questions. Some of them, like what equipment do you have that works for home office to small conference rooms, and then what equipment do you have that works to medium-sized rooms and larger rooms? So we're getting a mix. You know, some of them are, what do you have for people that bring in their own laptops? What do you guys have that work specifically with Zoom, specifically with Microsoft Teams? So we're seeing a good mix.
Yeah, I think that's kind of a theme of the show, right? Is everyone's asking about hybrid collaboration because that's something that's, it is a buzzword, but that's our reality. It's not going away anytime soon. That is how people are working these days. So has that kind of influenced how you've designed your booth and what you want people to focus on as they come through it?
Oh, definitely. One of the key things that I've noticed is that with the hybrid solution, sometimes people want the dynamic fluidity to either work from home, work from a coffee shop, and or work from the office. And so, when you outfit that from an IT architect mindset, you have to kind of build something out for every one of those use cases. So with that in mind, we do have a wide variety of products, between stuff they could carry in your backpack to stuff that it could be mounted to a wall in a conference room. So it's definitely something we've been thinking about and trying to see how everybody's going to react to that this EC. So.
Speaking of other really important trends, another one is interoperability, which you guys are really big on, making bundled solutions that can work with multiple manufacturers. So I know we've got one back here. Yep. Tell me a little bit about this and every other things that you're showing in the booth.
Yeah, we've been teaming up with like Lenovo and Yamaha to create some bundles that are made for large conference rooms and really great custom audio solutions. But when you talk about interoperability and either working with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, RingCentral, Barco even, we've teamed up with them and have been able to certify with them. So it's one of those things where we build out our products. We actually do it in conjunction with a lot of the partnerships that we have, get their feedback and approvals, and once we go to a product launch, like for instance this Cam 550 that we have right here, it's already been Zoom certified, so it really helps out with interoperability.
Yeah. Speaking of new products that aren't out yet, what can you tell me about this product so far?
We got some goodies to come out with. We had this Cam 550 that's right here. It's a 4K optical zoom, 12-time optical zoom camera with a dual lens in it for for those conference rooms that want the 4K experience, especially for like Smart Gallery that's coming out in front row, where everybody wants to crop images and make it look everybody side by side. That camera is going to be really great to work with. We have a new video bar out there with an optical zoom lens as well that is made for up to medium-sized conference rooms. So some great new products. We've been getting some really good feedback on, and so it's been good.
Another, I think, theme in your products is meeting equity. I think that everyone wants to feel like they're part of the meeting, no matter where they're joining from. So would you say that this is kind of made with that in mind as well?
Oh, definitely, because when you look at the between the home products, but with the products that we have that go into the office, the wide field of view options that we have with those help include everybody within the meeting. So it's a big thing where everybody's in the office talking with each other, and then the person that's home, if they don't look at or can't be seen, if they don't have the right lighting, like that Cam 130 has a built-in ring light with it, it really helps out to make everybody feel like they're there.
Is the Cam 130 the one that follows you? Is it?
Oh, okay.
Yes, I think that's the one that Gary Kay always talks about.
That's the VB130.
The VB130, yes,
there,
he talks about that all the time because
that's when I did that interview with him.
yes,
Yeah.
And he used that in an interview with me one time. I think he used it on an episode of Brave TV where he was like, "Watch." He's like, and then he stepped out of the frame. He's like, "You can't hear me anymore, can you?"
With the audio.
Yeah, I was like, "This is a commercial for AVer."
No, it's great, and that's technology that we're still building upon and helping out, especially for that, what you're saying, like that, the equity to be able to have an enterprise experience, but even from the home office.
Yeah,
so
exactly. Well, it was great talking to you. Thank you so much. I'm excited to see y'all's booth and everything you've got going on. I'm excited to walk through here. So tell me where we can find more information for anyone watching at home.
So going to averusa.com, you'll be able to see information on all the products that we have, as well as get data sheets and be able to schedule up live demos.
Perfect. And for more information, also visit ravepubs.com/EC 2022.